check Savory Eats. My dad's own smoked salmon quiche. There's leftovers from the other night. So I'm gonna have some. I'm gonna pick it up. So, yeah. So it's got smoked salmon in it, and it's quiche with the potato hash brown crust. Today is, so this is my dad's, I guess, specifically. And I am Tanis Coralee Leonhardi. This is my YouTube channel, Tanis Leonhardi. I'm filming this Sunday, 7 January 2024. You can see the flakes of the fish. There's some veggies in here too. So thinking about video sharing platform Tanis, which is my who and I wedding scenario related, fresh moving related, moving in with my soulmates. If we did a video sharing platform, we talked about how videos could be imported if the person had already published them on YouTube. Import them with the date of publishing. It would also be importing the where they were published. Alright, that it was published on YouTube, so that publication date corresponds to YouTube. Because the theme here of Tanis is honesty and transparency. So, a truth market kind of approach. So, that way people know where the video, like, was it first published on Tanis or first published elsewhere? And it's fine that it was published elsewhere. I'm just making it clear. Because video was published before the platform exists. And well, then it wasn't published there, so providing that transparency so there's not confusion, and be that way people go, but what if I publish it on like 3 different platforms? If it's being imported from YouTube, then it'd be the YouTube publication date. Okay. It's good. I like this. Actually cooled down like this. It's good warm as well. I don't know, the thickness of the filling stands out when it's cold. I went to bed at like 9 something last night. I woke up at 5 something today. Slept straight through. Got 8 or more hours of sleep. It's like, whoa. Good night's sleep. I usually get like 6 hours plus or minus 1. Just my natural body. So I was like, I woke up and I was like, I'm still tired. Kind of remembered when I was a teenager, I was still in this room. Or I guess it's the opposite now. But this was my room then as well, and I usually got about the same 6 plus or minus an hour, and I remember getting 8 sometimes on the weekends and being like, it's too much, my body's like, ugh. And I woke up this morning, and like when I first woke up, I looked at my clock and I was like not quite sluggish, but I was like, huh, I'm a little, it wasn't too much sleep, but I was like, reminded me a little bit of that. I sleep like a rock. My dad sleeps like a rock, or at least did when I was growing up, and my mom is really a light sleeper. And I take after my dad that way. Sleep like a rock, and my sister is a lighter sleeper. I have done Savory Eats of my dad's smoked salmon and smoked salmon pate before. So maybe I'll link that in my video description, in the video description. I guess it's the video description for the video. Written by me, but Yeah. I'm not a video. And I woke up screaming in the middle of the night one of the days after I went for a hike a couple of years ago, and I was calling for Mom. I thought it was pretty good that even in my slumber, I woke up when I was screaming and my parents were like in my room and stuff, and I was like, I thought it was pretty good. The reason I screamed out Mom instead of Dad was because she was a light sleeper. I'm pretty good in a sleeping mode to sleep yell. I remember that detail. My mom might be the one that hears it because my dad's a heavier sleeper. Right? She interpreted it as, in my heart of hearts, I wanted her over Dad. And no, that one was very much about who's going to hear me for help. Because I couldn't feel my arms. It was really weird. I don't know if it was like asthma related. I had gone for a hike in a place that had, I think it was like some different like atmospheric composition, and so I don't know if it was just a delayed reaction to that or what. It was scary. A++, Dad. 60 out of 10. A++ to my dad. I guess I should specify. A happy Sunday, 7 January 2024. As of me, Tanis Coralee Leonhardi, filming this to you, whoever you are, wherever you're viewing this from, and whenever you're viewing this. Be it the same day or a different day. And Kona says hey.